everybody. I'd just like to talk to you a little bit about how we're going to wrap up the 20 Time Passion Project. So you'll see there are two assignments. The first is a PowerPoint that you will upload and just send to me, and I'll take a look at that. The second is the TED Talk. So let me talk to you about the difference between those two assignments and the expectations and sort of the different audiences. Both of those assignments have rubrics with background, context for you. So please feel free to read those assignments. I'm also working to upload my examples so you can see examples as well. The goal behind the PowerPoint is for you to document your progress, and the audience for that is me. Feel free to include any images, screenshots, sort of treat it like a diary of what the process was like for you. You'll see there are guiding questions that you can address that help you really think about what learning looked like for you and some of the challenges, and you'll see that there are a number of ways you can go with that. So that's the PowerPoint. The TED Talk, however, is more an analysis of your learning from that assignment. So the difference is the PowerPoint is the documentation of what you completed for your 20 Time Passion Project. The TED Talk is you talking for about 5 minutes about that key takeaway. Of course, you can address what you did in the project, but I don't want you to stand in front of us and show us your PowerPoint for your TED Talk. I hope that makes sense. The purpose is for you to really analyze what you got from that activity and how that influences maybe the way you view some of the big questions in the course, such as what is learning. For me, in completing my passion project, I realized the importance of practice and giving students opportunity to practice without assessing that practice, or at least assessing that practice for a grade. So I've actually changed one of my assignments in 208, and I think that that's what my TED Talk will really focus on: the importance of giving students opportunity to practice without the fear of being assessed, like summatively assessed for that practice. That was my key takeaway, because for me, when I was thinking about painting and creating in that way, it was always painting for the purpose of a final project. So all of my paintings, in my mind, were supposed to be of the quality where you could put it on your wall, right? And what I really learned in the class that I took was the importance of a sketchbook, where you're constantly learning and progressing and reflecting on previous sketches and refining where you're going from there without that pressure of having it to be this like end product. And that was really eye-opening for me. So that's what my TED Talk will entail, talking about that slice of my project. So I hope that helps you as you're thinking about finishing up the course. Just know that the PowerPoint is due before the TED Talk, so you'll want to continue to chip away at that. The TED Talks will all be uploaded so that your peers can watch your TED Talks and learn from you. And then we'll also vote on our favorite TED Talks to get to hear those live. So that's the progression. I just thought I would lay out like my thought process behind that, and then again you'll be able to see my examples, and hopefully that will guide some of your work. And if you have questions, please let me know. And I hope that you're having a great day, and you're wrapping up your passion project. Thanks.